In these social groups, dolphins are often playful, twisting and turning in the water, performing acrobatic jumps above the surface, and wakeboarding behind boats. As part of their predation techniques, groups of dolphins can form hunting parties, helping each other chase and catch food in the ocean. A team of dolphins encircles a school of fish, herding them into a tight bait ball. Then individuals will take turn carting into the mass to grab a meal, or they may trap a fish in shallow water to try and catch them. One population of bottlenose dolphins off the coast of Florida, that's where we live, has been observed using a technique called mud ringing. In this approach to feeding, one dolphin swims in a circle along the ocean floor, swishing its tail near the sand to create a ring of stirred mud, which disorients and traps the fish, forcing them to leap out of the water and into the mouths of waiting dolphins. When hunting alone, individual feeding strategies include knocking fish up above the surface of the water and stunning them to slow down. Some dolphins have learned to unearth bottom-dwelling crustaceans under sea sponges for digging. Dolphins also coordinate their behaviors for reasons other than feeding and playing. They've been known to work together to help support a dolphin at the surface that is injured or sick. When one bottlenose dolphin is hurt, others in the group may vocalize to alert the others. For protection against sharks, dolphins may take turns ramming the predator repeatedly to drive it away. Other times, dolphins may not be so cooperative. Young adult males may exhibit aggression toward each other, blowing bubbles and smacking their tails on the surface or scratching another individual with their teeth. This last example is known as raking. And although it does not cause lacerations, it can leave light scars that are visible for several weeks or months. These forms of aggressive behavior establish dominance within the group. So let's talk about the baby dolphins now. Sometime between 5 and 12 years old, a female will produce her first calf. For bottlenose dolphins, gestation lasts 1 year and results in a single offspring. This cycle will repeat itself every 2 to 5 years. A dolphin calf, or baby, is sustained only by its mother's milk for the first 4 months of its life. At that point, the calf will start to eat fish, but then will return to its mother until it's 12 to 18 months old. Young dolphins stay with their mothers for at least 3 years, learning from them and other adult females how much to hunt and communicate. Communication occurs through a wide range of squeaks, clicks, and whistles. Dolphins produce these sounds by pushing air back and forth between the air sacs located in the blowhole. Clicking is primarily associated with investigating objects, such as prey. Whistles are used by individuals to identify themselves, similar to having a name, and will communicate their location to other members of the group. Some clicks and squeaks are too high in frequency for humans to hear, but using special acoustic instruments called hydrophones, scientists have found that dolphins are most talkative while they are feeding or swimming very fast. Mother dolphins utilize specific sound tactics specifically with their young, and whistles will be used back and forth between mother and calf to find one another when separated. As part of raising a calf, a mother dolphin will use loud pockets of sound calling called burst pulses to discipline their young. Tail slapping is also key in communication, as this typically warns others of dangers and if a predator is nearby. Okay, guys, next time we're going to talk about who lives in the ocean with the other dolphins, and I want you to start pointing out the different animals that live with them. Until next time, stay safe, be healthy, and keep smiling.